In a galaxy far, far away or a neighborhood down the street, light-speed spaceships, super smart droids, and internationally known music only scratch the surface of the franchise. And sometimes it's the little things that make the series shine. In the final episode of From Star Wars to Your Doors, Alex Cordero looks into astronaut food and sees if Star Wars food is real or not.
Don't stop now. Make every little second count.
Whether it's Chopped or Top Chef.
Leah, please pack your knives and go.
People are fascinated by food and cooking. That includes in a galaxy far, far away. In Star Wars Episode 7, The Force Awakens, one small culinary sleight of hand has everyone trying to figure out. How did they do that? From just a few drops of water, Rey turned a mound of dust into a space-age hot pocket, if you will. It takes a lot to fight off the bad guys. You need all the energy you can get for that next lightsaber fight. So does that space bread make you wonder how modern day space food from this planet is made? Or how do astronauts cook and eat up in space? And how does space food taste to random people? Let's find out.
It kind of tastes like chocolate, but not really. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad.
Do you want to try another piece or are you good?
I'm okay.
If I had other options, I'd probably go for something else, but it's not bad.
At least it's not sand, right?
I don't like sand. It's coarse and rough and irritating, and it gets everywhere.
Meet Samuel Monfo, a local pharmacist. He advises patients on what they eat. I gave him a look at astronaut ice cream, a freeze-dried snack similar to what astronauts eat.
I think it's sufficient enough, but I don't recommend it for a long term. It can also be like a supplement, like a snack or something like that after they've eaten, and that can also go a long way to help the patient.
The good news is that this isn't the only type of astronaut food that is out there.
Typical diet in space, if you looked at the menu items, would look much like a diet here on Earth. So, for instance, you would have meats that had been irradiated, and to eat them, you can either eat them cold, they're already basically cooked, or simply warm them up, reheat them. It would include things like actually steak, ham, and those were quite good.
Norm Thagard, a retired astronaut, has flown on several space shuttle missions in the past and has substantial time in space. In addition to shuttle missions, Thagard lived on the Russian Mir space station, so he knows a lot about extended diets outside of the planet.
The difference would be that the food is not usually fresh vegetables or this or that like it would be here on Earth. The preparation would be a little bit different.
Different. Like the same food we gave random people a taste of earlier, and food very similar to the polystarch. Remember Rey's space hot pocket in The Force Awakens?
It's in transparent packaging, plastic packaging, so you can actually see what it is, and you would generally recognize it, although it doesn't look like the cooked version that you would have here on Earth.
It's not the texture I was expecting.
But there is a fixture on the package that allows you to insert. You have a water dispenser and you stick the water dispenser through this little thing and usually massage them and mix them up, make sure the water gets mixed up.
But remember this, when eating or drinking in zero gravity,
you eat a little bit differently because you have to be mindful of the fact that if you're not careful, your food or your drink can go flying around the station.
With that in mind, I think I'll stay down here on Earth. In Tallahassee, Alex Cordero, WTXL ABC 27, dedicated to you.